Now we are going to do another thing that has to do with layers, which is the titles. Okay, first we are going to add another layer. Okay. The new layer is this. Okay. And here in this layer, I'm gonna hide the rest so that it doesn't disturb us. Here in this layer, we are going to add a title, letters. Okay. So we choose this and we click and add the title, for example, layers, or how to learning layers. Okay, if you are not happy with this, if you are not happy, you can select it and modify the color of the title to see better. Okay, learning layers. You can modify the size to do it greater. And when you finish, you only have to click anyway, for example here, and that's it. And see what happens, that the title has created a new layer. So this now, we don't need it, okay? We have this layer, which is the title. We have the triangle, we have, depending on which one you select, if you want to move it, you can move it, okay? You can move the active layer, which is the title, and then you can move it wherever you want. And when you have all the layers, okay, it depends where you want to move this. You can hide it a little bit, hide it more, okay, but and move it in the position you can read it, okay, for example here. Because the stripes, you know that the stripes are transparent, you can move it on the stripes on the layer and even do it more transparent so that you can read it. Okay, this is just an idea. Okay, so now to save as, and when you save as, you save the project. Okay, I have to call it layers save. I replace because it's a project and this is my last version. I don't want to replace it. But imagine you like this and then you want to export it as a picture. Then you export as a picture. Export as, and then you call it, for example, layer, yes, layers 23, a PNG, and then export it. And this is one version of my picture. Now we are going to do another version, which is with layers, with the title here, okay, here in the corner, the circle to the bottom, okay, the triangle to the top, and we can move it a little bit or even rotate it or something. Well, we are going to move it, not rotate it, okay, it is more complicated, okay, and then we can move also the rotated rectangle. We can move it to the left. Then we have this, and this is our new version of our design. So we export it, export as, and then we call it 24. For example, this is the version 24. Export it. Export. What is the result? The result is to have in my Gimp exercises different versions with the group of layers I have created, and this is one of the exercises you have to do. This is one of the exercises you have to do. With this I have finished.